What is going on YouTube? Hayden back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, instead of doing our normal technical analysis, I'm actually going to be reviewing a website that was sent to me. Basically, we're going to be looking at Btcmex. Hopefully you guys got that from the title and the thumbnail. But normally on the channel, we do the technical analysis, and sometimes I use a derivatives website or a derivatives exchange, leverage trading, or shorting the market. And I was actually brought to my attention that there are other websites out there that may actually have better to offer than the previous ones that we've used. So I actually want to spend today's episode kind of looking at Btcmex's website, what they have to offer, and pretty much figuring out how do I use it, how can I trade on it, some of the advantages, disadvantages, things like that. Otherwise, if you guys are new to the channel, definitely make sure to subscribe, turn on post notifications, leave a giant thumbs up, and let's jump into today's episode. So guys, before we begin, I just want to say today's video is sponsored by Btcmex, and we will be spending the remainder of today's video checking out their website, figuring out exactly what they offer and what is the website used for, things like that. And they actually did send me an email, and I kind of wanted to read some of the things we'll be discussing in today's episode. Obviously, if any of these have interest to you, definitely make sure to stick around to the end. But basically, they offer a $120 trading bonus, which is pretty awesome, as you guys can see on the screen right now. They have the lowest flexible fees. They have an affiliate program which offers up to 60% commission, and I'm going to discuss a little bit more on that later in today's episode. Then they have Li Xiaolei, Steemit co-founder, one of the world's biggest crypto hodlers, holders, and investors staying behind the Btcmex project. And then no overloads or server downtimes, which basically means that their website has pretty much always been up and running. They have the highest security level, and they are a fair and transparent platform. So that's very interesting too, is that they're very honest and open with their website, and everything is for you guys to view. So that's pretty cool. Otherwise, let's dive into the episode and check out their website. As you guys can see, I do have their website pulled up here. You can see all the slides that have been showing that they are a crypto derivatives exchange, innovating crypto futures. And you can register and get a $10 start trading bonus for free. And then I guess there are certain levels to the amount you can claim as you go up. So just off initial sign up, you'll get $10 in rewards. And obviously, if any of this looks amazing and you want to check out Btcmex, definitely consider checking out the link in the description down below. This will bring you to their website, and you can actually claim some of these bonuses. So you can see just a quick scroll through their website. They say leverage, 100 times leverage perpetual contracts, asset safety, lowest flexible fees, 24/7 multilingual customer service, and the highest speed in the industry. And there are over 20,000 active traders worldwide, opportunities for everyone. And then you can trade anywhere, anytime, and then they go into what they want to do, their mission statements, things like that. So, it's definitely a pretty well-rounded website all put together. So we'll sign in a second, but you guys can see they do offer this trading bonus right here, and I'm going to click on that, and you guys can see what it is that they're offering. So basically, you can fuel your trading journey and claim up to $120. You can see just off of signing in, you'll get a $10 ignition bonus. And then if you deposit 0.1 Bitcoin into the website, you can get $50. And then if you deposit 0.3, you'll get 60. So I believe you can actually obtain both of these. So that's pretty awesome. Plus the original 10 sign up bonus. So you'll end up having about $120 to play around with on the exchange. Now this is a bonus, so it will stay in the account, and you can basically redeem all the profits that you make off of the bonus, which is also, pretty cool. I don't believe you can withdraw the 120 straight out of the website, very similar to other platforms, but you will be able to, get this funding and trade around with it. So that's honestly a pretty cool addition to the website. So we'll look at the affiliates, and then we'll end with the trading website. So you can see right here, highest commissions in the crypto industry, earn up to 60%, register in one click. Btcmex affiliate program, you can apply it, become an affiliate in 10 seconds, and then use your influence today to attract users, earn daily commissions. So not everyone can sign up to their affiliate, that you have to get approved. This basically keeps everything in check, not to have it blown out of proportion. But lifetime commission 60%, 3 times the industry standard, 20% from sub affiliates. Commission comparisons right here, they're comparing it to other websites. And then you can see right here there are taker fees, things like that. So it seems like in regards to fees, they do actually offer the lowest fees. That's actually quite interesting. And they do offer quite a bit in commission, which is a lot too. I'm surprised they actually offer that, but it is a website rewarding them. It's not taking out of any profits from actual users that they refer, which is okay too. 24-hour withdrawals, transparent data, we pay for makers fees. So it's a lot of cool stuff that they actually offer. Platform advantages, strong security, things that we did discuss. And then they did actually send me another email in regards to their affiliate program. And they say, which is, I kind of mentioned this before, but the affiliate program is not open to everyone for several reasons, as expected, which is, it makes sense. They don't want people to abuse the 60% by referring themselves and their friends just for the discount. So that's why they kind of keep it to people who just more or less want to grow an affiliate or have an audience and don't want to abuse the affiliate program itself. They also don't want a misrepresentation of their website to take away from the exchange itself, which is very understandable. So there are a couple other reasons, but for the most part, it makes sense. So we'll look at the trading part of the website in just a second. I can sign in and then we'll check it out. But I first want to look at not only this article that I have, but their Twitter as well. Whenever I see a company or want to review it, I always check out their other social media platforms to see how exactly other people respond and if they have an audience, things like that. And to my surprise, Btcmex, or to no surprise, Btcmex had a following of over 4,000, or has a following of over 4,000, and they post fairly often. So I believe if you guys do want that customer feedback too, or you have questions, you could definitely reach out to them on their Twitter and get almost an immediate response. So it's very nice to see that they are offering other advantages and other ways to get into contact with them. And constant updates is always a nice thing. I do really enjoy using Twitter, the Twitter platform, especially with crypto and websites. It's very easy to reach out to their customer service reps and things like that on the website. So definitely check them out on Twitter too. It seems like they do take quite a bit of advantage of their Twitter platform as well. And then I do just want to show you guys really quick this article that I found, and then we'll go into the trading platform. So you can see you can trade crypto derivatives on Btcmex and enjoy the 120 trading bonus, as we know. But some more information that I didn't know before is that the Hong Kong-based exchange today manages over 50 million in trading volume every day via its offices located at all over the world. And then I actually found out, they sent me in this email, they said that KYC, one of their unique selling points, is not required unless you are in the Chinese region. So you don't have, in China. So I don't think you have to worry about that at all, which is pretty awesome. So yeah, that's pretty much just some of the other informations. Obviously, it's a trading platform for all needs. They trade, you can trade and be rewarded, what's in store in the future. So if you want to check out this article as well, it's on ccn.com, and then this is their title. So otherwise, let's just jump into the meat part of the video and basically look at their trading platform and how exactly it works. I'm just going to sign in real quick. Obviously, they have one of these slides very similar to Binance, and then we'll sign in and check out their website. So this is the trading platform. This is the meat and beans of their website. Basically, all the hardiness of everything where you can offer basically shorting, things like that. For those of you who are a little new and a little confused or scared about all this information that's displayed, you don't really have to worry too much. These are basically all the recent trades that have been made. These are the orders that are in place right now at all the positions. This is the closing and opening price right here. This is the even price, 9,753. For Bitcoin 0.5, that's about the running average. Bitcoin on Coinbase is about 9,750. So it's only about $3 more on Btcmex. So it really isn't that bad, and it's fairly close with the relative to the market. You can see all these trading platforms right here. You do have the open position orders, active order stops, very similar to other websites. And then lastly, we do have, what I like is that you can have these different order types. We have the limit, stop, take profit, stop limit, take profit limits, which is awesome to see. Not many websites actually offer these and are just recently getting added to the website. So they do seem to be very confident and already have this in store. So I don't think there's going to be as many, or if any, hiccups coming to the website due to the fact that they already have all these options implemented. So otherwise, to actually commit to the trade, it's fairly easy, and I believe I can show you exactly how to do that. I think if we go over to our account, we can view what exactly is in here. So we do have a little bit of crypto. XBT is Bitcoin for the website, just for everyone to know. So we do have this much, which I believe is like 20 or 30 bucks. So what we can do is we go over to trade, And then obviously to show you guys the account again, we have deposit, withdraw, trade history, order history, account information, authentication, active logs, things like that. So if you wanted to set up more security on your website as well. But basically, if we wanted to buy in, let's say we want to set a limit order, we want to buy in and trade long. So we buy in a limit order at around this price, 9754. It's pretty much the running price. And we type in the quantity. So I believe $20 is about what we're looking at in regards to how much I have. 0.0041, I believe that's the same amount that I have. So let's see, my available balance is 0.0041. We type in $20, we're trading with 30, oh, it's a little more. I think it's like 40 something. Yeah, so $40 in USD is equivalent to the available balance that we have of 0.0041 in Bitcoin. So it's as simple as literally clicking buy long, because that's what we're doing. We want to buy long right here. We'll open this position, buying long. And then we could leverage this too if we want. We'll do a 10 times leverage. We might actually be able to trade more here then. Let's see. If we leverage by 10, we could probably type in pretty much 10 times that. So maybe even leveraging it by this much, we click buy long. And then that pretty much submitted my order. So because we're leverage trading it by 10 times, it actually allows us to create a higher position, a higher margin, about 10 times the margin. So because we have $40, it's trading around with 400 with that leverage, and we're actually going to receive 10 times the amount. So right now I have an order created of 400 buys, 0.0409 Bitcoin. That's the value that it's worth, even though we only have an available balance, or we had an available balance of only $40 in Bitcoin. The fact is that we're using the leverage trading option, which is obviously higher risk, to trade with $400 worth of Bitcoin instead of the 40. So we're actually typing in more right here. So you can see we still have this active order set, and eventually that will fill and go into the open position. And then eventually when this closes, or when it fills, we then can watch the market. We can also set up stop and limit orders right here, just to make sure that we're comfortable with where we are, so that we don't end up losing quite a bit of money. But that's pretty much how the website works, guys. You know, if you're interested in this website, very easy to use. Definitely make sure to check out the link in the description down below. Once again, huge shout out to Btcmex for sponsoring today's episode, and I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. Peace.